I'm going to be showing you very basic, very light exercises and light stretches that you can start doing to finally alleviate that neck pain. So when you're starting, put your arms behind your back and try to stretch out the front of your neck. You want to feel it in the front of your neck. Be gentle, don't push too hard. Don't do anything crazy, just gentle, everything gentle, slight. You want to feel a small stretch on the other side as well. Look to the side, the other side. You want to feel the stretch as well. Circle motion just to get the blood flowing to the neck. Get the muscles ready, then turn around the same way. You can do this longer than me. I'm just showing you this quickly, just to make sure. Oh, and on this exercise, when you look down, try to push your shoulders slightly forward. That's where you feel the stretch. Now for the training, just put small resistance on your forehead, gently, and slightly push your head. Slightly push your head forward. With the resistance you feel is enough. And then do 6 to 10 reps of this. Look how I'm doing it controlled. I'm not rushing anything. Slow and controlled. The same for the side. Slow and controlled. You're training the side of the neck this time. Then do the same for the other side. 6 to 8 reps on each side. Also, you could take a break between each exercise. I'm just doing it fast so you get the idea. You should start feeling it in your neck now. Then for the back of the neck where you probably feel most of the pain, the same way, put 2 hands and then slow resistance. And for this, I'd say 6 to 10 reps. Do that, 3 sets of that. And your neck should start feeling better after doing that for a few weeks, because you're actually strengthening your neck. You're making your neck stronger, which is what you want. And do put as much resistance as you need. Do not overstrain yourself. Do very gently, be very careful, but it's not that hard. You're just putting resistance on each side, and yeah, you should be good. Follow, like, and subscribe for more fitness tips.